What's going on, guys? Today I'm scrolling through the Cats subreddit. Now I hope you guys enjoy. Please make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe, and hopefully I continue receiving the support that I have been getting on my videos recently. So yeah, so this first one is, this is probably just going to be pictures of cute cats or videos, so I hope you guys enjoy. Here's an update on the landfill cat. Cool. Oh, I think that was before, and then now he looks, oh, that's pretty decent. Okay, let's see. This is a kitten trying to make friends with an old cat that's not really paying much attention to it. Sorry that there's no sound. I'm not the one that posted this, obviously, but yeah. This is cute, still cute. Anything with cats is still cute. Yeah. That's a cute cat. We finally learned the trust of this little feral. Okay. At least that's cool. Yeah. That's cool. Cute cat. Cute cat. Oh, kitty, 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 tiny cats. Oh, that's unfortunate. Nice cat. Nice. They're watching Tom and Jerry. Wow. Wow. These are cute. These are so cute. 2 cats in 1 person's hair. Nice. That's a fat cat. I'm finally able to give a cat everything it needs. Meet Loki. Cute. Cute. All cats do that, that's freaking hilarious. Bleep. My new kitten, that's cute. Why are these images so cute? That's cute, that's what my cat looked like. Oh, still someone looks like. Yeah, that's what my cat somewhat looks like. Cute. Why are the cats so adorable? Okay. I think the squirrel was threatening to beat up our new kitten. That's a fat cat. That's a family of fat cats. 16 and as beautiful as ever. Yeah, that's so true. That's what we're gonna end on. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe. And see you on Wednesday. Cheers.